This video walks you through how to set up the Lightspeed Voice integration with Salesforce. You'll learn how to connect your accounts and start using features like automatic call logging, synchronized activity tracking, AI-generated summaries, and real-time caller insights, all built into a smooth, efficient workflow. To get started, let's set up Lightspeed Voice's Orbit application on your computer. You can easily download it by clicking the gear icon in your Lightspeed Voice dashboard and choosing Download Orbit. After installing the software, you'll need to enter your login credentials from Lightspeed Voice. To integrate with Salesforce, click on your icon, select Integrations from the drop-down menu, and then click the plus icon. This will direct you to the Integration Setup page within Lightspeed Voice. In your dashboard, you can find integrations under Management, Lead Settings, and Integrations. To set up a new integration, click the plus icon in the upper right corner. Then enter the integration name as Salesforce and select Salesforce as the vendor. Let's now determine which users in your office should have access to this integration. To do this, under the Users section, click the toggle button next to the name of any user you want to grant access. If you want to grant access to all users, click on the Select All option and then click on the three dots to assign them all at once. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll need to authenticate your connection to Salesforce. Click Authenticate, and if you're already logged into Salesforce in another browser tab or window, the page will automatically refresh and show the integration is authenticated. Once this is complete, your Salesforce account will be successfully connected to Lightspeed Voice. Before you can start receiving call pop-ups, you'll need to adjust your Orbit call pop settings. This can be configured on the integration page, as well as directly in the Orbit application under Integrations. You can choose from 4 options: None, Inbound, Outbound, or All, depending on when you want Salesforce to open automatically. Inbound is the default setting. Although triggers are enabled automatically, you can verify your field mappings by toggling the prospect-created trigger off and back on. This will display the field mapping window, where the left side shows the fields in Salesforce and the right side shows the corresponding fields in Lightspeed Voice. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. These triggers control how call activity and communication data are synchronized with Salesforce. It's recommended that all triggers remain enabled to ensure your integration functions properly and keeps your records up to date. When I answer the incoming call, Salesforce will automatically open and display the caller's record, allowing you to immediately view their information. After the call is finished, the call activity will be automatically logged within Salesforce under the Activity section of that contact or prospect. This includes details such as call direction, duration, and a link to the call recording. If you're utilizing Lightspeed Voice's AI features through Nova, you'll also see an automatically generated sentiment analysis and smart summary attached to the call activity. These insights help you quickly understand the tone of the conversation and review key takeaways without needing to listen to the full recording. Want to see how this setup can support your team? Call us at 877-97-VOICE or email info@lightspeedvoice.com. Thanks for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.